we'll guide you through how to identify bugs in Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard. You'll need to log in with your credentials to access the main interface. Once you're in, head over to the Developers section on the left-hand menu and click on Logs. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all the API requests made to your Stripe account. Each entry contains valuable information like request details, status codes, and error messages which are crucial for identifying bugs. Look for entries with error codes or statuses that aren't 200, as these indicate potential issues. If you see an error, click on it to expand the details. This will provide you with a complete breakdown of what went wrong. For example, if there's a 400 bad request error, it often means there's an issue with the request parameters. You can compare these parameters with the API documentation to spot discrepancies. If you notice persistent errors, you should consider checking your webhook events by going to the webhooks section in the same developers menu. Here, you can see if any webhook deliveries failed and the reasons why. To further troubleshoot, use the test mode feature in Stripe. This allows you to simulate transactions and API requests without impacting real data, which can be incredibly useful for debugging. Finally, make sure to consult Stripe's extensive documentation and support resources if you're stuck. They offer comprehensive guides and community forums for deeper insights. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.